Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I make this sweet and tart cranberry sauce. For this sauce, I used water, sugar, salt, cinnamon, lemon, orange, and of course cranberries. I used fresh cranberries, but you can also use the frozen ones. To the cranberries, add sugar and salt, lemon juice and orange juice, add cinnamon sticks. You can also use cinnamon powder if you want to. Mix it and add lemon zest. Cook the berries over medium to low fire and cover the pan with its lid. I stirred it every 5 to 7 minutes. So I've been cooking this for about 15 minutes right now. Here I'm removing the cinnamon sticks. You can also remove the lemon zest, but I wanted the lemon flavor to infuse the cranberry sauce a little bit more. You can stop cooking it at this point, but I wanted the cranberries to break down even more. As you can see, the berries have bursted and it is now a beautiful thick sauce. If you don't like the thickness of the sauce, you can add some water. In total, I cooked mine for about 25 minutes. And there you have your homemade sweet and tart cranberry sauce. I would love to know what you like to pair your cranberry sauce with. Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.